cooling hose. Dimmy built 4H.
Got a 20V. Some RTBs, extractors, decked head, shaved engine bay.
We've got a dick head.
Yes, we do. What do we got here, Brad?
Dimmy built 4H. Holden Commodore top radiator hose, brand new, 35 minutes old. Phoenix radiator.
We had a bit of trouble getting here, didn't we?
Pain in the
We've
arse.
broken some parts just getting here.
Some clamp.
This thing's pretty fresh at the moment.
Something like that.
What is this monstrosity?
Stock standard
What's it do?
Koyo Rad. It's probably the most aftermarket thing on this. Cusco strut bar.
Show us your insides.
Imagine it's Roy.
What do you got going on over here? Oh.
Blue interior.
This Ke70 is cool. I like it.
The contrast between the red and the blue is immaculate. I really love it. I don't want to change it at all.
Dripping no back from the next day song. Never tell her back that I never stay running. Sipping no facts, damn, know I got stacks in the lab. Taking bitches straight for another cat. Right shit, one I never had shit. Bitch move, make your motherfucking head split. Cost me the loss, never really gon' get shit. Got me never really gon' chase it. Dreams to the blade, no flake. Ass to the way, niggas know I ain't play. Fast to the break when I switch all day. Stance when I press to the damn all day. Sticking up signs, read, never mind me. Point to the ground, stick down to the feet. Stay, please stay, but you got no key. Never take a seat, but you never gon' see. Yeah, making my life, thinking it's right. Switching and missing the point to the right. Washing the thoughts in the back of my mind. Telling that I know for a fact that they mine. Watching me, I'm so low. I walk with your photo. Take money from the locked door. Bitch, move back what you paid for. Swing it down, no other way. Take a dip in the glass shade. I come with the landscape. I run with the wrong day. Me bitch that I wait outside. Tell me shit that I never hide. Thinking down with no side to side. Break down with no shit to try.
I don't know about you, but I'm having a really great time. There's no way that I can express to you what I'm feeling right now. My heart is full.